Have you ever had a spill or stain on your wood furniture and panicked about how to clean it without damaging it? How much time have you spent searching for the best solutions, only to feel more confused? At the Furniture Mall, we understand how stressful it can be to protect and maintain your wood furniture. That's why we're here to help you out. I'm Jeff, a home solutions specialist here at the Furniture Mall. In this video, I'll show you quick and easy ways to tackle everyday stains and keep your furniture looking its best. So let's get started. For general cleaning, all you need are a wood cleaner or a vinegar-based solution, wood polish, and microfiber cloths. Personally, I like to use Murphy's Oil Soap. It's a wood cleanser I recommend to all Furniture Mall guests who are purchasing wood furniture. If you decide to choose a different cleanser, make sure that it's silicone-free. Cleansers like Pledge and Indust contain silicones in their cleansers, which if it's rubbed into the wood, can damage it forever. You'll start by dusting the surface with a dry cloth. Next, apply wood cleaner to another dry cloth and gently wipe the affected area with the grain. Alternatively, you can mix 1 part vinegar with 2 parts water and use that solution following the same steps. Something we need to be very clear about. A word of caution: vinegar is acidic, so always dilute it with water to avoid damaging the wood. Less is more when it comes to vinegar. This method is pretty versatile, so it's handy to have these items laying around your home. But there are specific stains like water rings or heat marks that can be a little bit more troublesome. Fortunately, they're easy to remove with baking soda and toothpaste. Mix equal parts baking soda and a white or non-gel toothpaste with a little water to make a paste. Apply the paste to the affected area and gently rub along the grain. Then wipe away any residue with a clean cloth. For extra protection, apply wood wax to create a barrier. I'm using beeswax, which we sell here at the Furniture Mall, but any good wood wax will do. With these steps, your furniture will look as good as new. While these methods work wonders, prevention is always better than cleanup. Use coasters and placemats to protect your furniture from heat, water, and spills. We hope this video gave you helpful tips to care for your wood furniture. For more advice, visit our website or contact us at the Furniture Mall. Thanks for watching, and oh yeah,